Hello and welcome to our video about the Internet of Things, IoT. In this video, we'll be discussing what IoT is, how it works, and some of its benefits and drawbacks. What is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that enable them to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These objects can range from household appliances and wearable devices to industrial machinery and vehicles. How does it work? IoT devices typically collect data through sensors, which can measure everything from temperature and humidity to motion and sound. This data is then transmitted to a central platform or cloud-based system, where it can be analyzed and used to automate processes, optimize performance, and provide insights. Benefits of IoT. There are many benefits to using IoT devices. For example, they can help improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance safety and security. In addition, IoT devices can provide valuable insights into customer behavior, product performance, and supply chain management. Drawbacks of IoT. Despite its many benefits, there are also some drawbacks to using IoT devices. One major concern is data privacy and security, as IoT devices are vulnerable to hacking and other cyber threats. In addition, IoT devices can be complex and difficult to manage, and they may require frequent software updates and maintenance. Conclusion. Overall, the Internet of Things has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. However, it is important to carefully consider the benefits and drawbacks of IoT devices before implementing them in your home or business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.